Namaskar Jivas. His lecture is on phi and the golden ratio, the principle of mathematics behind ancient philosophy, as well as modern and cosmology. So, the main ingredient, which you must remember, is that the whole is in the part. The whole is in each and every little part. So, some of you were asking questions about my mathematical formulas. 0 equals 1 equals 137 degrees equals phi, or wholeness equals infinity. This is non-binary code, the principle behind non-binary code. This will be a biological and technological programming language for the new age. So we start with 0, nothingness. How does something come from nothing? Phi. 0 equals 1. Infinity equals wholeness. Superimposed, you get the ratio, the Greek letter phi. 1 superimposed on a 0. Wholeness and void, singularity and infinity combined in flux, the divided line. It's approximately, if taken, A, B, C. We have 3 line segments here. The small part A, the large part B, and the whole, C. What is our principal aphorism? The whole is in the part. Therefore, the ratio, the whole line, to C to B equals the same ratio from B to A. Therefore, you go, oops. It's backwards, but it's A, B, and C. C is to AB as C is to B. AB equals C. The whole C is to the big part B as B is to A. The whole to the big equals the big to the small. The small to the big equals the big to the whole. Phi. So, through this ratio, we have natural correspondence. In the Greek temples of Athena at the Parthenon, they used this ratio in the pillars, the ratio phi, which if turned from this line segment into a circle, Q, quanta. Q equals 0, equals 1, equals 137 degrees, equals infinity. The part is in the whole. Each and every particle of nature contains this fundamental principle within them, wholeness in each part. This little tiny part is no different except by scale to the whole, as well as the whole to the medium. Understood? Self-regeneration. This is the principle behind non-binary code, as well as the mathematics of ancient and modern philosophy, which when used in physics, we translate to Q, quanta. Each Q is a packet of wholeness, because there you have the golden ratio wrapped in a circle. How does something come from nothing? Divine proportion in mathematics. This is the philosopher's stone in the word in symbolic mathematical form. The Pythagoreans would line pebbles on the ground, which way they take their solemn oath on. The pebbles were in the shape of the tetractys. The golden ratio is contained within the tetractys in the form of Mount Meru, the winding circle. 137 degrees wrapped. 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 4. These are mathematical harmonies. 1 to 2 is an octave. Ooh, oh, ooh. 2 over 3 is the perfect fifth. 3/4 is the perfect fourth. Altogether they hum. Oh, divine harmony. Divine harmony is the principle behind creation. It is the Om. As the Shabad is the word, it is the sound. The sound of the creation is parsed out from infinity, which is 0, to 1, to the octave, to the perfect fifth, to the perfect fourth. This symbol, the Tetractys, contains all mathematics within it. Every piece of Euclidean geometry can in fact be parsed out from the golden ratio. 137 plus degrees. It is the position that the leaves fall upon the tree. It is the spiral that you get with a nautilus shell. With many shells, you have that ratio within it. Rahal. The big part to the small heart is the small heart to the big part. The big part, the whole to the big part is the big part to the small part. And there's your 137 degrees, with your golden line and golden angle contained within it. Pythagorean Tetractys. When you venture forth into modern philosophy, we have Pascal, the mathematician. His modern form of the Tetractys is the Pascal's triangle. 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And again, you have the harmonies contained within. 1 becomes a trinity, divides into duality and tetractory nature. 1, 3, 7. The whole is in each part, and so you have the e pluribus unum. Of our New World Order, of our dollar bill. Out of one, many. Out of one single point, all creation comes. Out of one particle of light is all the light of the sun. All that light is contained within you. You are a macrocosm of the whole. Which is what Christ said when he said, "Know ye not that you are gods, children of the Most High." Within each particle of cell in your body is God, is the whole. Your whole body in itself is made in God's image, the image of harmony, the structure of creation. This is principles of ancient philosophy and modern, the mathematics behind cosmology. Square and compass. Get the sextant. Angle of the curve. G. Which is what? God or geometry, as we're taught in the School of Freemasonry. But G, God or goddess, equals Q. God equals quanta. Each soul is a particle of God, a quantity contained within the whole, which is the whole itself. Heaven unites with earth in mathematical wholeness so that we can use the mathematics behind the principle of philosophy and harmony in our structures and in our civilization. So this is quantum human programming. It's been the principle of cultivating civilization for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians used the square, the compass, to build harmonic buildings, structures based on the principle. The sextant, which is a nautical guide, is a guide to correspond heaven to earth through the study of the stars and the curvature of time and space. By harmonizing our mind, our soul, and our body with nature, with quanta, we become like that, which we contemplate. We ourselves become whole, and we become lovers of wisdom. The philosopher's stone turns the iron to gold. This is the principle of masonry and of ancient philosophy. Your friend Frederick Child Horace, Lectures on Ancient Philosophy. Blessings to you all.